guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 through 72 GM A-body rubber bumper and stopper kits by Resto Parts, original parts group's in-house brand. Rubber bumpers, though small, play an important role in preventing wear and tear on certain parts of your car. Whether it's the bumpers located on your fender doors and trunk, these will help protect your vehicle from potential damage. Here at Original Parts Group, we make that easy with a comprehensive kit. This complete kit includes exact reproduction of the original rubber bumpers that are located on the hood, fenders, doors, fuel filler door, and glove box. Straightforward to install and often done when doing a weather strip project. Just pop or screw into place where applicable. We've sold thousands of these to satisfied customers and put them on our very own award-winning in-house cars. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.